Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a custom emoji on Discord in just a few simple steps. First, click on the server icon in the left sidebar to open the server you want to add the emoji to. Click the server name dropdown at the top of the channel list to open the server menu. Select server settings from the dropdown menu to open the settings panel. In the left sidebar, click Emoji to open the emoji settings page where you'll see all your current custom emojis. Click the Upload Emoji button to open your file picker, select the image file you want to use, and click Open. Discord loads the image into the Add Emoji editor with a preview on the left. Type a name for your emoji in the emoji name field. Click the Finish button at the bottom right to upload your emoji to the server. You'll see an uploading animation and then a confirmation toast appears once your custom emoji has been added successfully. Your emoji image needs to be under 256 kilobytes and Discord supports PNG, JPEG, and GIF formats. If you want animated emojis, you'll need to upload a GIF file, but note that animated emojis require server boost level 3. The emoji name can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Spaces and special characters aren't allowed. To use your new emoji, just click the emoji picker in any message box in that server, and you'll find it in the custom emoji section. If you need to delete or rename an emoji later, go back to Server Settings, click Emoji, hover over the emoji, and click the 3 dots to see your options. And that's how to upload a custom emoji on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.